where's that? Oh, I need that loom.
Oh, there's that whole pony right there.
There you go.
Me. You big boy.
Stop squeezy.
Oh, it's a big boy, isn't it?
Alright, so let's get that back on there. Where's what now? Exactly there. That's the switch to turn on. So, we want the purple on there. That yellow one on there. Let's get this out of the way. Black. Should be our power. We can't test it out because that's very serious. No, drying. That comes around. Okay, so I'll try and lift this up into position. If you want to try and stick that first bolt in there, just to take the weight off it. Let me have a look so I can see where I am. Okay, go for it, mate. Don't drop it down that sill, we'll lose it. Okay, there you go, that should go now. Righty tighty, remember. That's not in, mate. Look at the angle it's on. Look there, it's not in.
God, lose my mind.
Just be calm, it's alright. Undo it. It's got to be straight, otherwise you'll cross thread it. That's it. See, it's nice and should be nice and easy to go in. Stop, stop, stop. Just be calm. Be calm. It's okay. We've got time. That sounds nice. Now you've got it, haven't you?
Punch something.
Why?
Oh, so annoying. I want to punch the clay like it didn't bump.
Alright, now we need to sort out the mess of everything else. Getting these looms out the way. But that's the rough idea. Now that the weight's taken. Happy days? Yeah, I like it. It's going to come over there. That's going to be the hard one. So let's work on getting that done.
What is it?
What do you mean, what is it?
Oh.
We've got 3 more of those bolts to put in. And that one that you just did was the easiest one of the lot.